Welcome to 9762 East Inglewood Circle in Mesa's exclusive gated community of Whisper Mountain. Set on nearly a half-acre north-south lot with no direct neighbor on one side, this single-level luxury home delivers privacy, space, and exceptional outdoor living. Inside, the great room adds warmth with a gas fireplace and direct access to the backyard. You'll find 10-foot ceilings, extensive 18-inch tile, brand new carpet, accent paint, and an integrated surround sound system throughout the main living areas. The kitchen is built for both everyday living and hosting, featuring a large island breakfast bar, granite slab counters, walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances, including a 6-burner gas range, double ovens, and a vent hood. The oversized owner's suite offers true retreat living with French doors to the patio, dual walk-in closets, and a remodeled bath complete with a spacious walk-in tile shower, separate soaking tub, and updated fixtures. The split great room floor plan offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a dedicated den, and an additional flex room, perfect for work, fitness, or multi-use needs. Step outside and experience resort-style outdoor living. The expansive covered patio features a tongue and groove wood ceiling, built-in heaters, fans, and integrated speakers. The backyard continues with a stunning negative-edge PebbleTech pool, Baja Step, in-ground cleaning system, above-ground spa, rock waterfall, synthetic turf, citrus trees, and a garden area, all framed by peaceful mountain views. An RV gate and large exterior storage room add convenience. With a 3-car garage, close access to Usery Mountain Park, desert recreation, lakes, and the Power Road corridor, this home blends luxury, function, and Arizona's outdoor lifestyle at its best.